Welcome back, everybody. Today I am meeting you at the car wash. And today we're going to talk about why it's important to wash your car from the top down. Basically, the top of your car is the cleanest. The bottom of your car is where all the dirt collects. So right down here, you can see where little bits of dirt kind of started to collect there. And on the wheel, this right here is all the dirt you drive through, all the road grime, pretty much everything your car has to face when you drive it, it builds up at the bottom of your car. And basically, if I were to take this rag and just clean the wheel, make sure we get it real good. Basically, this is everything that just came off the wheel, and if I were to take this same rag and just wash the car with it, then I'm just pushing dirt into my paint. Obviously, this rag is done. I cannot do anything else with this rag except for the other three wheels. So, we'll go ahead and soap this car up. Since we're at a car wash, we'll go ahead and just pour soap on the car. And I do already have another video where I explain this method a little bit more. I'll go ahead and leave the link in the description. And then just start wiping it down. All right, now that the car is soaked up, we can get the rest of these wheels. And now we are ready to rinse it off. And now just dry it the same way you cleaned it, top to bottom. And now you have a nice, clean, happy car that's ready to hit the town. And don't forget, new videos every Sunday. Make sure you hit that subscribe button if you haven't done so already. Also, make sure you hit that bell so you never miss a video. And I will see you guys next week. If I ever get tired of South Lake Tahoe, that is.